Welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. In this video, we will learn how you can post on your Facebook wall from your computer. So, without any delay, let's start. Friends, for this, first you have to open your browser. I'm opening Chrome. Here you have to type the web address facebook.com. So let me type. Friends, I am currently using eSpeak voice because I want to post something in Bengali. So those who are not able to understand Bengali, please just see the video. You can post anything you want on your Facebook wall from your computer. Okay, and I am not able to reduce the speed right now because the shortcut key is not working. So I'm sorry friends. So after opening Facebook, you have to press B for buttons.
Account control and text messenger red button, menu button, navigation and mark T more edit shortcut button, T more button, Facebook content info and mark list with job items more menu button sub menu, main and mark create a freedom what's on your mind button.
Yes, create a post, what's on your mind, then your name. So I am pressing enter here.
Create post dialog, what's on your mind edit multi-line and.
This is the text box. I have pasted what I want to share. Now let me check once.
What's on your mind edit focus multi-line box take any or chat within text. Give on it, or take any or chat within text. Give on it any chat or chat of within text.
Okay. So now I am pressing tab. Show background options. From this option you can choose background colors or backgrounds. Your text will look good. So I am pressing spacebar here. Now you can use tab key or up arrow and down arrow to choose any of background. I am pressing tab.
No background button.
No background.
Blue background with pink and purple balloons and pink and orange confetti. Smiling and folding arrows in the right hand and the yellow balloon and the red balloon in the left hand. Background image toggle button not pressed.
So Facebook always describes about the background. So don't worry. You can easily use with your screen reader. I'm pressing tab.
Yellow illustration. Background image toggle button not pressed.
So I'm choosing this background for now. I'm pressing enter here.
Edit multi-line legal chat within text.
After that I'm pressing tab.
Background options button.
So I'm hiding the background options by hitting spacebar here.
Show background options.
I'm pressing tab.
Emoji button.
Emoji, you can add emoji. I'm not showing you right now.
Add to your post button.
Add to your post. In this option you can easily add photos, videos and other things. I'm pressing tab.
Tag people button.
Tag people. If you want to tag someone, so you can tag.
Feeling/activity button.
Feeling/activity. So if you want to add any feeling, like if you are in sad, if you're in happy, if you are emotional, you can easily add from this.
Check-in button.
This is check-in button. You can add any location.
More button.
More. There are another one or two options here. I'm not exploring or I'm not showing you right now.
Post button.
So this is the post button. If you press enter here, the text will be post as your Facebook wall. I'm pressing enter.
Unavailable. After reading the your post is successfully shared with everyone.
Your post is successfully shared with everyone. Okay, so this is the simple way. Now I'm pressing H key.
Newsfeed post heading level D.
Newsfeed post.
Link heading level top.
This is my name. I'm pressing down arrow.
Link at PDF button no button graphic public.
Public.
Menu button to sub menu actions for this post. Give on it any chat or chat of
Okay, so this is the way you can easily post any text on your Facebook wall. This video is very short, I know, because I have made this video to know about your interest on how to use Facebook on computer. If you want to know more, just let me know into the comment section that what do you want to know more about Facebook using a screen reader from your computer. If I'm getting so much comments, so much likes and so much shares from this video, I will definitely discuss every single point and every single option about Facebook. This is for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.